Hi, I'm Jenny Long.
And I'm Celie Clark.
And we are Jenallee. Celie, summer is almost here. Aren't you so excited?
I love it. I'm
What
so
does that
excited.
mean for you?
That means it is boat time. Woo!
Do you like to ride the waves?
Oh, I love riding the waves
You do?
on our boat.
I thought you were
I do.
wave rider.
Wakeboarding. Wakeboarding. But you ride the waves on your wakeboard. I love it. It's so much fun.
I just knew you were a wave rider.
I know. I mean, I can't do any awesome tricks.
I bet you can.
But I can like jump the wave a little bit. I mean, I get like this far off.
That's great. That's great. Keep working.
Right?
Keep trying.
That's good. I will. I'll get lots of practice this summer. So I'm excited.
All right. Well,
stay tuned right after this and find out other ways we are riding the waves this summer.
Jenallee Show, try everything. The Jenallee Show, try everything.
all right. So I know you are an expert wave rider, and you're going to get even better as you practice this summer.
You know it.
But what other wave have you been riding? Or are we going to be riding even more?
Yeah, Jenny and I have been riding the Wakelet wave.
Woohoo!
Yay! If you haven't heard about it, definitely Google or go to wakelet.com and you can see it behind us and how it's spelt. You will not be sorry. It is amazing. Maybe even better than riding the waves on my boat.
Ooh, I know you like that a lot.
That's how good Wakelet is.
It is pretty awesome. We want to share with you a couple new things that have come out. We are going to have a Teams meeting next week. We'll share more information about that. Where We're going to go in more detail about how to get started with Wakelet and how you would use it. And we may even have some special guests with us. So stay tuned for more information about that. We'll post that below here as well. And we'll be tweeting that. And you can find out how to join us. But we just wanted to share a couple quick things that have been new in the EdTech world involving Wakelet.
Wakelet just announced this week, right?
I think so.
2 new integrations with Microsoft, which we're super excited about. If you enjoy Sway, that's in your Office 365. It's an application where you can make website, newsletters. It's just a beautiful presentation. Now, Wakelets can embed into your Sways. They look so great. It's a great way to easily incorporate that information and curated lists into your Sways. Jenny, how else has Wakelet come out with an update?
One of our friends, Becky Keene, she actually, and this is what I love, Wakelet is listening.
Yes.
And Microsoft does this too. And I love that they listen to their users and the teachers and the requests of people that are actually using the product and they want to make it better. So she was asking, it was on a thread on Twitter, and she had mentioned something about being able to embed the Wakelets into OneNote. And we love OneNote. We're huge OneNote fans. So, they, within a couple days, they got together and they collaborated an idea on how they could make it work. And so now we can actually embed Wakelets into OneNote. And they look great, and it just makes it nice and pretty. And that is super exciting.
We're really excited about it. Wakelet, they have a great engagement team. That's how we found out about it, is one of their guys, James, actually contacted us and did a video call with us, showed us exactly how to use it. They are definitely listening, and so give them a shout out, check them out. We really enjoy it. We think to me, as a old librarian, I love Wakelet and the curation possibilities it has. But it even goes further than just curation. So if you want to know more, Jenny and I actually have just launched a new blog, and we've been writing a blog post about Wakelet. So we encourage you to click the link below and check out our blog.
And hopefully you can join us next week on our Teams meeting. It's going to be Wednesday at 8 p.m. Central Time. So join us as we talk more about how to use Wakelet and how you can get started.
All right.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Bye.
We want to help you.